Okay, guys, so we're gonna look at my cringiest games in Create a Card, of course. So the first one, we're gonna start out. First we're gonna start out with. There's a lot of these. Let's do this one. Like, bro, what? This is so weird, bro. I suck at making stuff, bro. Bro, that is not an axe. Okay, this really sucks. And then now we're going to go to the mystery of the bird, of course. So cringe. Bro, what? Bro, this is really cringe. This is really cringe. Really cringe. Like, bro, what? Okay, now, of course, we're going to do very hard haunted car ride. Okay. Bird beaked flashing horse, bro. This is very cringe. Scary. Bro, what does this even mean? I don't even know how to make my own donations. Okay, let's see here. Did I just say a shout out to whoever likes Zail1250, bro? Did I even know what a shout out was? Copy, bro. That's weird. Okay. See, caution, which is blue. I couldn't even fit it in. I didn't even know how to do that. Bro, that was good. Okay, this is okay. No, this is actually good. Wait, that's actually smart. They use cannons as wheels. That's actually really smart. But I can make a better card than that. Let's see how cringy this gets. Oh, the sound is a little scary. Oh my god, bro. I have nightmares. It's not that scary. Okay, now we have to go to Burby Course in Johnson Jail. This one is just... Oh my god, this Burby Course is causing so much mayhem. Everyone hates Burby Course. Let's Burby Horse win Roblox. Don't find more. Oh my god, shout out to whoever made this game closing the traps. Give me that. Like, bro. Roblox, Wolfpack, and Nick H's are the hunters, bro. Thanks so much for the trap. Okay, we're gonna look at a different one now. Bro, I'm gonna get banned. Okay. Oh, this one's actually pretty cool. But it is a little cringe. One sec. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, this is actually cool. But getting unhacked from something doesn't exist like here. I'm gonna go to dialogue. Unhacked. You can't get unhacked. And that's a lot of babies. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of parts too. Bro, what is that there? Bro, what did I suck at making stuff? Oh. Okay, now finally this one. These are like the most random people. Sweet potato. Oh, one of them's sweet potato. Okay, let's read the paper. Bro, it's so easy to find him. He's literally right there.
Which one are you waking up to take? You said. But what's the thing you said you had?
Yeah, I will. I'll make it. Okay, maybe not. Okay.
Every 6 hours? Oh, every 6. Maybe if you timed it better, you wouldn't have to do it in a night.
Privy course is like the fakest thing ever created by mankind. What? Wait, if I seriously made that one have no can collide, I'm literally gonna, oh yeah. 4,000 parts? What's that about? What is, oh, yeah, right, it's this, but 4,000 parts is a lot. Just, game, look at this. I never looked at my parts. Okay, I'm gonna look for some more cringy ones. Usually the old ones are, oh. Survive keeping on the toilet, the killer. This one, the cringiest one is,
it's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
It's raining tacos out in the street. Tacos, all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yummity yum. It's like a treat. Yum, 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 yummity yum. Bring your sour cream.
Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, cheese, 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 cheese.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Lettuce, cheese.
It's raining tacos. Tacos.
It's raining tacos from out
cheese.
Why?
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Lettuce, cheese,
It's raining tacos. Tacos.
Let's go.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
It's raining tacos. Out in the street. Tacos. All you can eat. Lettuce and shells. Cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yummity yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yummity yum. Bring your sour cream.
shell, meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, meat, cheese, 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 cheese.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Lettuce, cheese,
It's raining tacos. Tacos.
It's raining tacos